This pasture is a native grass pasture, meaning as opposed to tame grass. They've been on it since July. And to be fair, it's not doing too bad. This is going to look very different from a tame grass pasture. So native grass, this means it's been around. It wasn't planted that way. It wasn't planted with the species of grasses that are here. And it's very rare these days. There's a dugout. So that, again, very obvious drainage point in the area. So a dugout is a drainage feature, usually a spot that's natural drainage, and a farmer has dug it out to the clay so it gathers water and it holds it throughout the summer. Yeah, it's a bit of a there. And with this rain, there's kind of been a regular rain fall this summer, which is really good. And there's lots of grass left here. I'm really impressed by that. And just climbing up. This is a pretty pasture. I really like it. You climb up here, and sometimes I've been up here and I've watched geese flying in, and I'm looking down on the geese flying in. It's kind of an odd sight. Anyway, incredibly beautiful. I mean, there's beauty in non-mountains. It's quite something here. More of a hayfield. Ladies, hey girls, it's me. Hello, that's my girl. Oh, aren't you gorgeous? Yes, there you are again. That's Henry. Yeah, she's a bit snotty, isn't she? Good dog. Good dog, good dog, good dog. Good dog. Oh, there's my gorgeous girls. Yeah. Hey. Hello, baby. Hello, Mama. Hello, Mum. See what you've done here. That's good. You get in the grass in between the thistles. You're kind of learning how to graze this stuff. Oh my goodness, look at all that. That is so great. Sorry for the wind. It rarely doesn't blow. Hey girls aloud. What you think I've got? Huh? What you think I've got? You think I'm taking you to new grass? You got bale. You got hay. I'm gonna be outside. Hey, skinny mamas. You're not skinny. Hey, sweetheart. Oh, who's this? 79. Huh? Gorgeous, huh? Okay. I'm looking at geese right now. They're all over that.